Welcome back to another tea time video. Special shout out to all my new subscribers. I just want to welcome you to the No Mediocre family. And for all of the old ones that have always been tuning in, I just want to tell you thank you so much for always being here, leaving comments, sharing, and of course telling others to subscribe to the channel. So hear what guys, I now have 622 subscribers. I need just 378 more to reach 1,000. So help me guys in reaching that, guys. Come on, get 1,000 subscribers before the 1 year mark. Alright, so if you are a fan of the series The Originals or Vampire Diaries, then I'm pretty sure you know about this plant called vervain, right? Or some people call it vervain. So in that series, we know that the vampires are scared of that plant, right? But we're not gonna talk much about what the vampires are scared of. We're gonna talk about the health benefits that the plant is perceived to have. So this is how it looks, guys. Alright? So I went to see my mother over the weekend, and she was telling me about vervain. So I said, Mommy, what you know about vervain? And she was telling me that it has a lot of health benefits, and she actually has a plant in the backyard. So I said, you know what? What better option than to get a piece of this plant and consume it, or to make a tea from it, since she told me a lot of the health benefits, and I also went ahead and did some research on it. So I decided that I'm going to make a tea from it and show you guys how I do it, and of course discuss some of the benefits. So guys, if you know about some of the benefits that this plant has, just leave it in the comment section, or if you've drank this tea before, also let me know. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into it. It's gonna be Vervain, also known as Verbena officinalis and herb of the cross, is a perennial herb native to Europe and Asia. Now, let's look at some of the benefits that you can gain from drinking vervain tea. Number 1, may possess anti-tumor effects. Test tube and animal studies suggest that vervain's glycosides, triterpenoids, and essential oils may inhibit tumor growth and induce the death of cancerous cells. Number 2, may protect nerve cells. Vervain extract may benefit certain neurological or brain-related conditions. Studies in rats show that vervain's glycoside verbenylin, also known as cornine, may significantly improve brain damage after a stroke. The studies explain that the compound promotes the development of new blood vessels in the brain, which supply it with oxygen and improves its mitochondrial function. Number 3, may help reduce anxiety and convulsions. Vervain has long been used in folk medicine as a relaxant or nerve tonic, and animal research currently backs up this use. A study in rats determined that doses of vervain extract had an anxiety-reducing effect comparable to diazepam, a popular drug used to reduce anxiety. So our 10 minutes has passed, so it's now time for us to pour our vervain tea in our teapot. Other studies in rats have concluded that the extract may help manage convulsions or seizures. Number 4, may have antimicrobial activity. Antibiotic resistance is a growing global concern. Promisingly, studies show that vervain may protect against antibiotic-resistant bacteria and fungi. In one test tube study, vervain essential oil was tested against 2 fungi and 7 bacteria. It inhibited the growth of all microorganisms in a dose-dependent manner, meaning the higher the dose, the higher the antimicrobial effect. Other beneficial effects are anti-inflammatory activity, supports gum health, supports heart health, anti-diarrheal activity. So it's now time for us to pour our first cup of vervain tea. And to sweeten our tea, we're going to add a teaspoon of honey. Precautions. Vervain is generally recognized as safe by the FDA. However, pregnant and breastfeeding women, people with iron deficiency, and those taking blood thinners should avoid drinking this tea or consuming any vervain-containing products. And that's our vervain tea. So there you have it, guys. Your vervain tea is served. So we've talked about the benefits, but if there's a benefit which I've left out, let me know in the comments section. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, share this video so that others can know about the benefits of drinking this tea. But before I go, I want to thank my friend Anne-Marie for getting me this lovely teapot set. Big up yourself, Anne-Marie, and thank you for always watching the video, girl. Alright, so we're just now gonna drink our cup of vervain tea. Really delicious tea, guys. So if you're gonna try this tea, also let me know, alright? So cheers to all the benefits that I'll get from drinking this tea. And remember, your health is your wealth. Cheers!